Hey, this is Steve Rozenberg. I'm the founder of the Rozenberg Group. We are a coaching program and advisory group. We help contractors, people in the trade industry, grow and scale their businesses. I had the fastest growing property management company in the state of Texas. And the reason that's important is we had about 300 subs, vendors, contractors working for us. We had to show them how to grow and scale to stay alongside with us. And we did it the way an airline runs. The reason is because at that time I was, and I still am, an international airline pilot. The airline runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, but the business is constantly running on systems, not just on people. And so what we do is we work with you to make sure that number one, you're focused on getting the right target client calling you. You're making sure that you're converting at a higher conversion rate. Operations is able to process that order. Financials are able to pay everybody, and leadership sits over the top. A business sits on pillars. You have leadership, marketing, sales, operations, and finances. We're gonna go through and make sure everything is done with checklists, processes, and procedures to build that foundation to get you to the next level. Because the reality is if you can't walk away from your business for 3 hours, 3 days, or even 3 weeks, you don't own a business, you own a job. So if you wanna learn more about how we can help you, maybe have a discussion about where your biggest constraint is in your business, just go ahead and click on the link down below, fill out the information, and we're gonna set up a time to talk to you and see how we can help you best. See you there.